Welcome to BIN630. The agenda is a brief introduction. We'll discuss the course format, especially my Start Here module, with some resources I've gathered for us. Week 1, we're going to go over the content and the required activities, which includes an infographic discussion and a personal biography assignment. I think you'll enjoy it. I am your instructor and course director for Data Visualization and Creative Reporting. I'm Dr. Vicki Billman. This is Course 8 in a series of 12 for the Masters of Science in Business Intelligence. The course format should be familiar to you this is Course 8. What you're seeing here is a preview of our course, and you can see all the modules, the Start Here module and Microsoft Power BI, which should be unique to what you're used to seeing, and then the week 1 through 4 activities. The Start Here module, it has a course overview, resources, professionalism, register for go-to training, and our class water cooler form, where we can discuss anything that you'd like to discuss. Specifically, I wanted to go over a few of the resources that I've put out there. I put resources out there and tools for graduate level writing, including APA formatting and Grammarly and other grammar checkers, and resources where you can upload your paper and it will tell you if your writing is meeting graduate level. The reason I did that is this is Course 8 out of 12 in a master's program, so writing should be second nature. If you can't write at the level and in the format that people in the industry are used to seeing, it will report negatively on your abilities, whether you know what you're talking about or not. In the industry today, your knowledge is a moot point if you can't communicate it the way people are expecting to see it. So let's work on elevating to the next level our writing, and let's make sure that we're meeting all of the APA format. The other resources out there is all kinds of software and web-based products for data visualization. So please look them over and see if there's anything you haven't already seen. There's a module out there with Microsoft Power BI visualizations. What it will have is all of these tutorials that you see on the right side. They're brief tutorials, hands-on instruction for how to create all the visualizations in Microsoft Power BI. Week 1 activities. The lesson is data storytelling. The 3 keys to data storytelling are, of course, data, narrative, and visuals. Where all 3 overlap in a perfect unison is where you have a perfect data presentation. Now, the week 1 reading in VCR is chapter 1 and 3 in Visualize This, and chapter 1, 6, and 7 in the data points. There's also week 1 articles out there for you and week 1 videos. Please check them out. If there's anything else you'd like me to add, please let me know. And if any of the links or anything happen to be not working, please let me know that as well. The required activities is the discussion, which is on infographics. What you will do is you're going to choose a visualization. You can choose from any visualization from any software package, but I have put out here 3 websites that you can go to. Visually, which is the largest online collection of infographics, Carto, which has 80 data visualizations, and Mode, which always has an updated list of real-world data visualizations. What you will do is pick one, and you will do a thorough analysis and critique in APA format of your chosen infographic. All of the details and all of the items that you have to address are clearly listed under the instructions under infographics in your learning management system. Under your post 2 requirements, it's the same as usual. You will post a thorough response using the RISE method to one of your classmates. The assignment is a biography visualization. What you're going to do, everyone is going to create a personal biography using a visualization. That sometimes is hard for people to do. You're going to create something where you have to generate some data and create a visualization on you. What makes you unique? How are you going to collect the data? There are all kinds of questions to ask yourself to formulate your idea for your biography under the instructions in your learning management system. But what you're going to provide is at least 1 chart in Excel, 1 in Google Docs, 1 infographic in Microsoft Power BI, and 1 in another program of your choice. There's several options available in Chapter 7 of Data Points, a great list of resources if you'd like to check out some new ones. You will need at least 5 visualizations to complete this assignment, and they must include title, labels of your variables, labels of your units, reference to where the data comes from, and the data itself, which is either a file or a link online. Please read carefully the instructions in your learning management system, but this should be a lot of fun. Limit the text. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you shoot me an email and you need an immediate answer, please send me a brief text as well so that I know that there's an email out there. And I hope we have a great week.